Hello inflatable fans! Been out for a paddle with Stitches and Sparky here and figured it'd be a good opportunity while we've got 3 boats inflated to do some tests with the Pea Pod and the Brent to see what would happen if you have a catastrophic air collapse. So in this video you're going to see what happens with the Brent. Let's do it!
Let's do it now. You timed that right. He's about to practice sinking.
Cheers. Right, let's try this one out. So you've seen the GoPlus one. This chamber is smaller than the GoPlus and doesn't go the full length of the cockpit. So we'll leave the floor chamber inflated and see what happens when we let the air out of the back. Now with the GoPlus, I did find it easier. Whoa, it's going over.
That's quick.
To put my legs over the side and try and utilise the floor chamber as much as possible. So this does feel really good.
Like a surfboard.
I'm really out of the water, yeah. Yeah, I am a good way out of the water. With the GoPlus it kind of folded in the middle, but it wasn't fully inflated. Whereas this is. Oh, getting air in.
Getting water in, yeah. Well, that'll be interesting. Oh, not so good.
Okay, so the cockpit is now totally full
It's
of water.
flooded. It's flooded.
Almost. And it's still alright. So I think I'm sat about halfway. I am going further under. Slipped out from underneath. What's stopping?
Yeah.
The air
Good.
chamber popping out from underneath.
And flipping
is
you.
The rest of the boat.
Right, because it could.
Because it's actually caught in the rest of the boat. So bizarrely, even though this is now full of water, the thing that's actually stopping me from going over or whatever is the fact that the rest of the boat is actually holding the air chamber in place underwater. And so I think you can see that on the camera. I've effectively got a seat of the water, kind of like that distance. And so long as I'm not too reckless, as long as I don't do anything sudden, I shouldn't fall off. If I was in choppy water, that might be a bit more of a challenge. But on flat water, that's kind of alright.
What do you think would happen though? Because obviously you've let the air out of. It's coming out of the top, isn't it? So if any injury or damage would be underneath.
Yeah.
And so that would change the dynamic of where the air is going in the boat potentially. The air that's left.
And also, what also happens is, because I trap this, it traps a bit of air in the front there.
Yeah.
And that's the danger, is in moving around.
Yeah.
If you move your balance on that floor panel, it does get a bit more unstable.
Yes.
The trick is to find your centre of balance on the floor chamber. This does feel like it's changing actually.
We're getting more unstable.
Getting more unstable. I'm really having to work to stop myself from falling off at the moment.
Yeah.
I was getting a bit cocky there, I think. point is, if I was in the middle of there when this happened,
You could have got to the
I could
edge.
get to the shore on the bank, you know, and get myself to some kind of safety. So I'm going to go back out. That current from that isn't helping actually. I think so long as I don't get too cocky, it does feel unstable.
Yeah.
But manageable. Pull up to there. Whoa, nearly off the side. See how we get out. Yeah, there is a shelf here.
Oh. Well done.
Quite a good good bit that with that floor chamber. It's done the trick. If you found this useful, if you have, you know what to do. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, you know what to do. Smash subscribe, hit the bell. I'm just splashing water everywhere right now. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. Cheers.